Hey mermaids, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lex over here, Alexa, Alpha Alexa. You know the deal, guys. Before we get into this video, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the noti bell to be part of the mermaid clan over here, where I just do random stuff like what I feel like doing. Like, it's just how it is, okay? Keeping it real, always being myself, always. So yeah, if you're with that, girl, y'all better subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right now. Like this video. Like all my videos, actually. Go back, binge watch. Hey, what up? Okay, before I get too ranty off, let's get into today's video. So it's gonna be a makeup video just to, like, you know, get that out of the air right now. I'm actually going to be like kind of reviewing, kind of just like first impression, kind of just like love her and just how to get this palette either way. So I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on the Carli Bybel palette. You guys, I love Carli Bybel so much. Like, I watch her all the time. Every time she uploads a video, I'm right on it like the second like she uploads it, because I just love her so much. Like, she's such a calming like demeanor, I feel like, and I don't know, I just love like her quotes, and like she really believes like everything happens for a reason. She's really into like the universe stuff, and so am I. She's just such a boss. Her house is beautiful. She's beautiful, and literally she did it all on her own, and I admire that so much. So I just really like love to support her. I have her first, here, let me give it. I actually have her first palette by BH Cosmetics. So it's just this one. But yeah, super, like, it's still like her vibe. Like, this is white with marble and stuff. If you guys haven't seen her, check her out, watch her out, support her. I love her so much. And she's like really into fashion. I'm like kind of starting to get more into fashion, which is like weird. I'm more edgy and like that stuff. So she's like definitely not. She's definitely more glamorous, but this is so freaking cute. Like, I'm obsessed. So you guys know I love Anastasia's palettes. Like, the soft glam palette is literally like my guy. Like, I love her so much. And she just looks like this. Definitely very different packaging from like just like first impressions. Like, this is like velvety, gets very like dirty, kind of soft. So that is usually like what their palettes look like. And this is just very like cardboard, not cardboard, but like, you know, it doesn't have the velvet effect, okay? And this is so her vibe. Like, I can't even believe it. Like, pink, Carli Bybel, like glamorous, like super cute. And it looks like this inside. When I first saw this palette, I was like, absolutely. These are my tones, okay? These are my shades, honey. Super neutral, which, like, I love that so much. You got a couple pops. First of all, like purple, my favorite like pops of colors. This red, girl, you know I love this in a good crease moment, okay? Then of course you got your neutrals, and you got some of this stuff right over here. When I first saw this, I was like, oh, perfect for prom and wedding and stuff like that. That's what came to my head literally first of all. You could bring this on a weekend vacation. It comes with a brush. They always come with a brush, so that's awesome. This ranges, I think, for $42, 42 or 45. I could be wrong, but I really like this packaging. I like how it's white in here. This just screams, like, if you know Carli Bybel, this just like screams her so much. Like, this is her in a palette. Like, I don't even know her personally, but like I want to know her personally, and I want to like be friends with her. So hey girl, what's up? I'm like so obsessed with this. Like, I'm so excited. So let's just get right on into it. Of course, I have my base and everything done, so don't even. I really wanted to like base this off what I was attracted to most when I first looked into this palette. So obviously, Steve. So Steve and then Mandela were the ones I was drawn to most, but I feel like I just did a tutorial kind of on that. So I think I'm either gonna go into OA or Libra, but I'm for sure gonna go into Steve. I think definitely gonna be doing more videos with this because I just love this so much, and I haven't even tried it yet, and I don't even care, and I'm saying that. So okay, so I'm first gonna go into Bear. It's just this plain white. I did a little, oh, it is pretty powdery, but like I feel like that's normal with Anastasia palettes, but like they still work really good. Okay, I'm just going to set this because I did do my extra concealer up here, but I just kind of wanted to set it because I feel like it was getting crazy because I'm getting all excited. Okay, and then next I'm actually gonna go into Bowie. And all these names, like when she did it, I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. So they're like with her cat, her mom and dad, OA, her favorite TV show, My Angels, that's what she calls, like, you know, her followers. Aura, she's very into like that kind of spiritual horoscope universe stuff. And then of course Bybel, Moo, her best friend, Cindy, like Libra, she's a Libra. Like I literally feel like I know her from this palette. Like it's crazy. And that's what I love. Oh my gosh. So I'm just kind of patting. Don't mind me, please. Oh dang, that's kind of like a little darker than what I was expecting, to be honest. I thought it'd be a little more like taupier, but hey, I'm not mad. Holy crap, I just like put it down in like 2 seconds. You definitely get like a really good payoff. It blends out super, super good. Okay, so I just kind of like blended that out, but like not the greatest, but like whatever. Next, I'm going to go into Steve, which is of course that like strawberry like red. And I'm just going to go in with my Anastasia. Ooh, so there is kind of like a lot of fallout, but I don't really mind that. I think, so like basically what that just means, it's like it's pigmented, but also like there's not like that much shadow in it, I think. Look at me saying like, I think I know. So I'm just like literally doing this up in the crease area. So I really want to add this red because it's so freaking pretty. I think my next video though, I want to do like a comparison, her BH compared to this, and kind of give pros and cons into each of them. Because, you know, she did both palettes. Cute. I'm just grabbing like a random blending brush, the JS9, to smoke everything out and blend it all together so there's no harsh lines or it looks weird or anything. Because I want it to be super like smooth, you know? I feel like mixing those two colors together made kind of like a dark purple. Okay, I'm gonna actually grab that Steve color and do it like a little bit along here on the outer corner, just like that. Because I'm gonna put a shimmer. So I was thinking maybe like Libra or like one of these like neutral colors, but I think I'm actually gonna go into Aura now, which is like so pretty. It's the pink. This is like in a glitter formula, kind of feels like to me. So I'm just spraying that with my Morphe setting spray, and then I'm just going to put that along the lines here. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I don't know if Anastasia has really a shade like, or like a formula like this. This formula kind of feels different, I feel like. It's definitely more glittery. Okay, that actually turned out really freaking cute. I don't know, it's kind of really messy, I feel like. But like, sometimes I like a messy palette, but when I love it like this, I'm like, no, actually stay nice. Oh my gosh, I really love this color actually. Like I thought the pink, I went like whatever, because you know it's like a pink, so I don't really wear like pinks that much. I'm gonna go back into Steve, just flip it over and kind of bring a little bit more redness back in. It's like a red raspberry, strawberry, I feel, to me, and I love those kind of colors in my crease. Okay, I really want to add like more shadows. I mean, like I just used 3 to make this look, which like I'm not, sorry. So I did a little bronzer, but I didn't do blush or highlight or anything like that. So I'm gonna go into Cindy, which is this peachy. I love doing eyeshadows for blush and highlight and stuff like that. So she cute. She blends out cute. That's actually a really pretty peachy color. Okay, now I'm gonna cut my cheek. So I just feel like I kind of want like a tish overboard, but like whatever. Now I'm going to spray my face, and then I'm actually going to dip into Bali, this one right here, and I'm going to use that as my highlighting shade. Oh my god. I swear I was not expecting that. This is very, very... Okay, I should have went in like more a little like that, but oh my gosh. See, I told you guys, this is what I love. That is nuts. Oh my gosh, I love. Okay, I'm actually going to go into Bali again. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. I'm going to do the tip of my nose and then bring it down because that's what she loves to do, and I always do that. Come on. Y'all know I'm going to do my inner corner. I feel like a galaxy right now. Like, do I kind of look like it? it? Like a pink majestic lavender. Mermaid Land aura. It's just that type of aura. Oh, my brows look so snatched. I don't know why I got all this stuff like all over my face. I'm like really like what the... Okay guys, I'm gonna do my lashes real quick and then I will be right back to give you my final verdict on our trial. I've been watching too much SVU. I'm obsessed with that show, by the way. Captain Olivia Benson. Hey mermaids, I'm back. I just did my real lashes because I've been loving like the editorial look, kind of like really smoked out, like just your lashes, you know, like the Gigi Hadid and like Bella Hadid, like they do these really... Okay, anyways, I'm getting off topic. Let's get back to this Carli Bybel x Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. You guys, I'm obsessed. I absolutely loved it. I feel like I have a wet like galaxy dream on me right now. Like I just feel like that's like the vibe I'm in when I did this look, and I did not know I was going to do it like this, but she snapped. Okay, I really did that. Like I'm not gonna lie, I really did that. Comes with a brush, pretty neutral, but there's also like some pop of colors in here, so I don't know why people are like, oh whatever. So like it's literally the perfect combination of both. You guys know how I feel about this palette. I love it. If you love her, if you love these shadows, honestly this is like a great kind of palette too to kind of start like getting into color, like to purples, there's pinks. Like honestly, like if you want to get into color, like this is not even a bad like palette to start off with. It's super easy, blendable. Anyways, that's my thoughts on the Carli Bybel palette. I love her. Congratulations Carli and ABH. This is amazing. I'm so happy for her. I literally am obsessed with her. I love her so much, and I just want to like say thank you to her and to them for them making this palette for people like me who love her and support her. Like just anyways, I'm getting way off topic, but thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you're still here, get this palette, like for sure get it. Before you leave, you know what to do. Okay mermaids, I'll see you in my next